Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you the workflow of how I painted sunflowers on my shoes. So this is the reference picture that I'm using from Pinterest. So I'll link it down below in the description if you guys want to check it out. So I've been seeing this trend of painting your shoes. The one which I really liked is the one with the sunflowers. I feel like it's really aesthetic. So I thought I'll give this a try. The shoes that I'm going to be using today is an old torn out shoes of mine which isn't even white. So if you guys want to try this out, please make sure that you use a white shoe. So the shoes that I'm using is this one. This is a really old shoes of mine which I can't wear it outside. It's not torn actually, but you can see how it looks. So I thought I would paint sunflowers on these shoes. This looks so messy. So what I did was I removed the lace from the shoes and then I washed it thoroughly and I kept it out for drying. So after a day it was completely dried and I applied a coat of gesso over it. I don't know what material is this, but if you apply paint on this material, the paint can come out. So I applied a coat of gesso over it. If you guys don't know what a gesso is, I've already made a video on that. If you guys want to check it out, then I'll link it down below. Please go watch it and make gesso and apply it over your shoes if your shoes is not of cloth, and then start painting. So I'm going to be showing you a workflow of how I painted my shoes. So let's get into the workflow. I hope you guys liked what you saw. If you do, then please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.